Cause
I get it right.
Welcome to Arman Square. We woke up wild fight.
A wild fight, wild fight.
where I say I know eagle, I am that man. I'm starting up people. A whole man this 450 here now.
See that?
Yo! Look at the Charlie Vito type.
After that,
Look there. It's in the up array.
oh, boom, boom. No.
Yo, you can't fix the road. Mr. Eagle, you can't fix the road. We nice. People, good morning, you know. Yeah man, we're there in our next swamp. On our next location, you know. Yeah man, and basically today people, we are search for some of them boy there, you know. Yeah man, some of them wild tilapia there, you know. Yeah man. So, you know, say Mr. Eagle there, Lee Miller there, on our next general there, you know. Yeah man, so hopefully we catch some nice fish, you know. Yeah man. But you know, stay tuned and catch up on the hunt. Yeah man, Mr. Eagle gears up, you know. Yeah. So I make you put on them socks, Mr. Eagle.
Take cutting grass off of my toe. Cut up.
Yes, you can't take it. Yeah.
I say it to a cut up.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes, you have to get it right.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So I go on idea here now.
I go for the hunt. See what we can find today. Maybe we can get 2 scarf, some tilapia, or some snook.
Yeah. So you say general, where you look? Same thing you pre. Alright. Mr. Miller, where you pre? Where you pre? Because you have on your glass, you know, man. Top follow away, man, say, man, and talk off of your one talk. Eh?
Tilapia. Anything you find, man.
Alright. That is it. The people there, big river looking at it, you know. But it's a water have visibility now. Clean, you know. But we just have to see what go on.
Yeah, clean up what's up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you have to.
Over there, so. I say. So I'm a fight in the water for the most.
I can't believe when I listen, I can't believe how come me. And I'll sing along but me listen in a theater. So I put you and I eating a song, sugar in my head.
Yeah.
I'm listening on my face, so that's a good one. 2 years in the summer.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, but no, but it's nice. It's nice. And I must open my button to the first started. Hear me. Give me some money and touch all the stuff and call. Block me in it, you see?
Yeah.
Put on white card, four white card on the side and keep on it. As long as the bone knife is blocking, I'm not dead now.
Yeah.
It's fine, it's still like I wish. You want to get to you want to get to today?
Yeah. How you shoot, huh? When I want for them, I'm going to shoot today.
It's nice boy, man.
Yeah.
Nice boy, man. Nice blue one, it's not in my heart, it's more time up, but it's good. It's not in my mouth.
Yeah.
So my heart, it can come through, and then I'm going to start to the food. The inside, I'm already. Now one part, you know, pick right off. You can't get it on, you see them can't see.
Yeah, man.
I'm good on further, so I want to get it.
Yeah.
So you have to show them all this stuff in my mouth. Just see it now. Very hard on myself. I'm not seeing because I'm not going to cook without you.
Yeah. Oh. More use it. See, I don't want to eat it. I see him say, if I start adding about when it start use it kind of feel better. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Fish have it, you know, so it don't make sense. This don't make sense. Oh, bigger fish.
Mr. Get It Right. See that, people? Yeah, man, quarter bucket of fish, you know? Yeah, man, that is it.
Sure, we know, man. You know, say, I know what's that already, man. People, is that a good catch? Them are get.
Yeah.
I feel just work with you and give thanks to you, man.
True. And every day it's gonna be the same, man.
Sure.
But people, let me show you something, people. Cause look on him good. Enough man where you see I catch fish enough time, now catch them a size, still now catch them a size. But not the biggest, but food there I can find a dinner size fish them. I look there. A big fish same way, but not big fish eagle, cause eagle is way better than this.
So
but
just work with
what we have today. It's a new location, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go try out some.
That is
So
it.
this is our outcome. So you have to stay tuned to our next episode.
Yeah.
Catch you shortly.
Right. So in a bucket, you know. So we are go look for them, you know. We are get here, people. We are get some of them scale up, you know. Scale them up, man. Nice jaguar fat, you know. Full of flesh. And just a small one to the people, you know. Try out new place. Yes, people, you know what time it is right now. I get them seasoned up, you know. So, I get some all-purpose in it. That is it. Make it go and marinate little. Put them on the fire. That is it. Yeah, people, I get some oil in it now, you know.
See, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's hard way hard, man.
After.
Yeah, people, see, the first one. Yeah. So you hear that song that you go out there sing, people? Yeah, man, artist, you know. Boy!
I know nothing that, man.
I know nothing that. Okay. Now, first time pot, man, make them two go on fry at a time, you know? Yeah, man. People look there. Properly fry, you know? Yeah, man, so you can go and soak off in there, so soak out the oil, you know? Yeah, man, jaguar this thing, man. I want to go and fry some more. People, take a look at this. Beautiful. Okay. Shift it.
Look at the one that smells so.
Which one?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
eagle. Are you deal with them, you know? Pick any one of your choice. Alright. That one there I go.
Big fish.
I take a bigger one then, no? That one I did kinda me kinda the work on him. Other one I do work for you, yeah.
No, man, I drew me approach my but alright, go on.
Be right.
Take one that smile.
Aye.
It's stable.
Yeah, man. One way I smile. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you got
Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, well,
yeah, making
fish. I can go and cool, man.
making cool.
Stay true.
Yeah, man. Me that work on that one and enough people.
See it long time, man, because I'm going to see
Yeah,
how
man,
true.
me take 2 touch out time. See him there?
Yeah, Hey boy,
Yeah, man.
you know what you man.
Yes, man.
Yes, I eat that. Hot.
Nice, man.
So make me lucky eye.
Then get flavor like the chop of cold.
That's true, man.
What you eating, boy?
Anything. Good food. You get big mouth, you know?
That is it, man. Big up here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is right.
See you level him down there.
And this is wrong. So we're getting it right. You understand?
Yeah,
The day never so success. The day wasn't so successful. But we get dinner.
Cho.
Yeah, we get it right.
Yeah. And it's a new location.
Yeah.
Yeah.
New location, we just try out some. And them size that we get. Okay.
Yeah, but them a size yeah, I know your size, but it's still better than
No.
none. Yeah. See
We
there?
are get it right though.
Yeah, man, we are get it right.
We have enough feast.
Right. Get it right. See Mr. Miller over there, I get it right. Yeah.
We are getting it right.
Yes.
We get right here. Right, that's it. Some good vibes.
Yeah, man.
I don't want a big iron eagle, man.
I feel fight it.
Yeah.
Let's have it.
That is it. Let's get it right. Hey people, wagwan. Yeah man, and you don't know we eat some fish and the fish did nice and thing, you know. Everybody enjoy it, everybody pass through and come get a bite out of it, you know. Yeah man, so here wagwan people. Me have some epic adventure planning, you know, we have on the agenda. But here wagwan now. Because somebody already some spearfishing and thing, but nobody feel like a spearfishing alone. Many things out there what we can do, but I don't like to talk what's next, so stay tuned and look out for it. Big up on yourself. Out.